Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yes, Solana moving further into the desired and expected correction. We talked about it after the breakout of this descending wedge, after the breakout of that $105 level. I think in the last video we had that that had not been broken yet, yeah, but it was obviously very likely, and we talked about that, was very likely now with Bitcoin's breakout above 45.8k, and then that is exactly what happened. We broke that level, we moved up, moved down again, retested it here on the daily, and then really moved up again. We're now at $113, pretty much here at the maximum what we already did, and the next target remains, and that is what we talked about after the breakout of $105, that you will see that next level with the highest likelihood, that $122 level, and that will be the next very important level here, $122, that wave 4 high. I'm pretty sure we are going to get there now that we broke that level and retested the previous one, so I'm fairly confident about that. We then need to see how the price will react to that $122 level, but chances are that if we break it, that we then of course move higher here with the first resistance around $150, the first major one. That will be the 200-day moving average here. Other cryptos are already much closer to the 200-day moving average, including Bitcoin being just below 48k. Ethereum, I think, already broke it, the 200-day moving average, so Solana is still quite far away from that 200-day moving average, and that is a very important level, a very important mark. And currently we are above this 20, and also let me see, where is the 50-day moving average, because that is getting relevant now as well. So we're gonna have a look here. This is the 20. Let's change it to 50 just to get an idea. Yeah, we are also above the 50-day moving average that you can see here in orange, which is currently located around $92. So as we are now above the 50-day moving average, what is going to happen? The price is going to go higher probably. Yeah, in line with expectation, now above to that $122 level. As I said, if we break above that, that is that previous wave 4 high. It is also the target of that descending wedge, because the first target for a descending wedge is the beginning of the wedge, which is that $122 level. So that would have been working, will work out then, hopefully. But what happens if you move higher then the 50-day moving average is also going to turn around to the upside, and we're going to get a bullish crossover or a golden cross at some point. That is probably still weeks away, but a golden cross, even though I don't put too much weight into it, but it is a good sign. We had here that death cross, which is the opposite of a golden cross, where the 50-day moving average is crossing below the 200. Yeah, that happened in February, beginning of February. And this would be the opposite, a golden cross, where you see the 50-day moving average cross above the 200-day moving average. But to see that happen, a lot of time needs to, be going, and it will take some time to really see that happen. Actually, also it will take a while until the 50-day really moves around and starts to go up again. Yeah, but yeah, it's looking good, going according to plan at the moment. Again, I said it in the Bitcoin video, what we are currently seeing here, MACD going higher, that's fine. On the daily, you are now getting close to the overbought level. I mean, Bitcoin is already overbought. Solana is getting close to being overbought. So, you know, from that low where we were really oversold, yeah, and we did talk about it back then, typically when you're massively oversold on the daily, that can be regarded as a good entry point. Since then, we have seen significant price increases, which is still far away from where we are going to be in that next all-time high region. But you're now already getting overbought on the daily. Not quite there yet. We're still below 70, but you're very close. And it will be very interesting as well here how the price is going to react to that overbought level. So as I said, there is further upside potential, maybe to $122. And then we need to see also with regards to the RSI on the daily, what is going to happen. Is it already going to turn around? Because as you know, I don't think we're going to go to all-time highs from here yet. There will be another dip that would be in line with my big Bitcoin expectation, from where we could then also enter again into Solana. If that dip will be a lower low or a higher low, I can't tell you that now. This will need to be seen because we have not really gone deeply into this target area here. I mean, the target area here that we talked about end of November, that did take us down. Obviously, the price did come into the target area, but first of all, it turned around in the middle of nowhere. And yeah, I mean, we have seen impressive gains since then, but it is still not a confirmed breakout to the upside. What we need to see, first 5-wave structure up and then an ABC down. And if that is a higher low, we can be more confident or very confident about that the low is already in. To really confirm that yet, it's far too early. So there is still a risk to the downside. But for now, as we are breaking these levels, it is very likely that we're going to see the next target reached, which in this case would be that $122 level. All right, that's my view on Solana. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.